Peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Welcome to Quran Steps for Beginners, a channel dedicated to helping you start your Quran learning journey in the simplest and clearest way. One, learning from the foundation, Qaida Nurania. We begin by teaching Qaida Nurania because it is the true foundation for anyone who wishes to become a fluent and confident reader of the Quran. With Qaida Nurania, you will build strong roots that make Quran recitation easier, more enjoyable. 2, large and clear letters. To make learning easy for everyone, children, adults, and even elders, we use large and clear Arabic letters. This way, the letters are always visible and easy to recognize without any strain. 3, understanding the forms of Arabic letters. Unlike other methods that jump directly into combining words, we first focus on the different positions of each Arabic at the beginning of a word, in the middle, and at the end of. This helps learners understand how the same letter can appear in different forms before they start building words. 4, from Qaida to Quran. Once you complete Qaida Nurania, you will have the ability to read the Quran smoothly and correctly. Your journey will move from simple letters to beautiful recitation. 5, starting with the last part of the Quran. In this program, we will begin with the last section of the Quran, Juz Amma, gradually move backwards toward the beginning. This method has been proven to make learning easier for beginners. Closing. So join us on this journey step by step. With patience, practice, and guidance, you will soon be able to read and enjoy the words of Allah in the Quran. Peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you.